When you are building website in Divi, there are usually two ways to work. Either you click through panels and settings, or you rely on keyboard shortcuts to speed up your process. But Divi 5 introduced something completely new, the third way to work, and that is called Command Center. And once you start using it, it completely changes how fast and smoothly you can build a website using Divi. And in this video, I'm going to show you what Command Center is, how it works, and why it might become your favorite feature in Divi 5. Sounds interesting? Let's dive in. Now, if you want to deep dive in what exactly Command Center is, we have created a complete detailed blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it really helpful. So let's start from the very basic first, where exactly this Command Center is. So right now we are inside this page and we are using our Divi 5 Visual Builder. And in order to access Command Center, we simply need to type in Command K in Mac or Control K in Windows. And as soon as you type in that, you will see this pop-up opening up. And now you can just start typing whatever you want or wherever you want to go from here. And Divi instantly shows matching commands and you press enter to run that command. And that's it. No digging through menus and no remembering dozens of shortcuts. Just type and go. Now at first glance it might feel like a very small feature, but it changes something fundamental, how you interact with the Divi Visual Builder. Instead of searching, clicking, navigating, you go straight from intent to action. You think about what you want and you just type it and things happens. Now there are three types of Command Center actions. Let's take a look at each one of them one by one, starting with navigation commands. Now these are the commands which takes you from one place to another inside your WordPress website. For example, let's say we are currently editing this page in Divi Visual Builder and you want to switch the pages. So let's say from this page, I want to go to About Us page. So I don't have to jump back to my dashboard and then go to that page. I can simply open my Command Center by typing Command K or Control K for Windows and simply start typing my page. Let's say About Us. And then just hit enter. And there you have it. No going back to dashboard, no loading screens, and no switching back and forth. You can also jump to Theme Builder, Theme Options, and other builder areas. And this removes all the small interruptions that slows down your website building process. Next we have is context switching commands. And these commands don't take you somewhere else. They change how you work right now. For example, you want to switch to the mobile view. Simply open the command panel and just start typing phone or maybe tablet or desktop and you instantly add that particular breakpoint. Let's say you are working on hover effect. Simply type in hover state and you will instantly get switched to the hover state of your layout. In the similar way, you can open panels like layers, variables, and canvases without clicking through the interface. And this one is particularly really helpful if in case you are new to Divi 5. Instead of searching where things are, you can simply type in the Command Center and it will instantly take you to that particular panel. Next we have action commands. This is where things get really powerful. These action commands actually do the work for you. Want to add a button? Just open the Command Center, type in button, press enter, and done. The module is added instantly, but here is where it gets to the next level. You can chain or sequence command. That means you can add section, insert rows, place module, and apply a preset all from your keyboard. So no clicking and no interruption, just pure speed. Even something simple like saving your page becomes super fast. Instead of taking your mouse to the complete top right corner, you can simply start typing save every time and just hit enter and it's done. Along with that, you can also save as draft, save as pending, and save as private as well. So here is what makes this feature really powerful. Unlike keyboard shortcuts, you don't need to memorize anything. You don't need to remember exact keys. You just need to remember one thing, Command K for Mac and Control K for Windows. And after that, you just type what you want. Divi figures out the rest. Over time, it becomes a habit. And once it does, you will find yourself using it for almost everything. So the Command Center doesn't replace the way you work with Divi. It's going to enhance it for sure. You can still click through panels as needed, but when speed matters, this is the fastest way to build. It turns Divi into something more than just a visual builder. It becomes a command-driven workflow system, where everything is just a few keystrokes away. And once you get used to it, there is no going back. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And if you like this video, then make sure you share it with your friends and community. And for more cool features about Divi and WordPress, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.